Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create this 2D diagram in AutoCAD step by step. This tutorial is designed to be a simple and easy to follow. So even you are a beginner, you are just starting out, you will be able to create professional drawing. So let's get started. You can download this diagram link in the description box. So step 1. Draw the main line 140 mm vertically. So we will start by drawing using line command. You can activate line command, press L, enter, click on first point 140 mm, enter. This one is the first point. Then go for step 2. Step 2. Create the 4 circles. Let's draw the 4 circle, one in each line corners. Each bigger circle should be 30 radius. So click on the circle tools. Otherwise you can activate circle, press C, enter, click on first point, then put a value as a radius 30, enter. Now step 2. Inside the big circle, draw a smaller circle 20 mm radius. Repeat same C4 circle on center point of the bigger circle and put a value 20, press enter. So you can copy this both circle on opposite side. Select the both circle, CP for copy, first point to end point. These two lines as same as picture. First line, then this one is second line. How we make this one? Activate L for line command, first point. Now you need to check before this line, snap, OSNAP setting is a shortcut, press enter. Need to activate quadrant, then press OK. Now L for line, this one is quadrant point, first point to second point, as same as L for line, first point and second point. You can copy CO for copy, first point to second quadrant point, and same as this one. Now we need to trim, TR for trim command. Click on this inside circles, trim, just like that. Now you can trim this one and this one, again this one and this one. So now you need to check this inner part almost complete. Now we are going to create these 4 circles. So next you need to create circle in the middle of reference line, diameter 30 mm. Activate circle command using C, enter. Click on center point, D for diameter 30, press enter. Select this circle. Need to move right side 87 mm. So activate move command using M, enter. Click on right side and just move 87, press enter. Now again create a bigger circle, otherwise outer circle, it will be 50 diameter. So C for circle, click on center point, put a value, D for diameter 5050. Move this both circle upside 50 mm. So select both circle, M for move, upside direction 50 mm, press enter. Now we are going to create curves. If you see in the picture, here is a curve just like a rainbow. So step 3, add 80 mm curves. Next we need to draw a curve like a rainbow connecting 2 circles on the top and bottom 2 circles. Now we are just to create a 2 top circles. So how we create a curves? So need to create curves using circle command, tangent circle. So C for circle, press enter. TTR for tangent radius, press enter. Otherwise you can activate these circles. Go on draw tab, click on circle panels, and here you can check tan radius circle, first point, second tangent point, and put a value as a radius 80, press enter. Now we need to trim these circles, extra part, just trim, press enter. Click on this circle, click only. So now you see these 2 circles create and also create these curves. Now we need to create as same as an opposite side of this center point. so we need to create here. So you can use mirror command. Using mi for activate mirror command, press enter, click on center point of this line, click and select outside, and you can use two options. So first one is ask erase source object. If you want to erase source object, it's mean main object, so you can press yes. If you want no need to erase main object, you can press no. So in this situation we need to keep main object, so we are going to use as a source object erase no. So now you can check. So now you see opposite side two circles and curves. We are going to create these curves, so you can use same process. C for circle, TTR, enter, first point, second tangent point, and put a value 80, press enter. Now we are going to trim TR, double enter, click. Select these curves using MI for mirror command. On center, click center to center. Press no for we are not going to erase main object. Almost 80% our drawing created. So now these wings we are going to create opposite side. So you can use mirror command, press enter, first point and second point. As same as we are going to check no. So you see our drawing almost complete. So now this select this line and delete, because of this one is a source line for create my drawing. So step 4, add the remaining details as a dimension. I hope you know how can add dimension. For adding the dimension, you can use dimension linear command, DLI, enter, first point, second point. Again DCO for dimension continuous, first point, this one. You can add radius as a DRA, dimension radius command, first point from here and second point just like that. Now need to add as a diameter, DDI, diameter, click on first circles, click on second circle. Now you can add dimension linear command from first point to second point and first to just like second point. DCO for dimension continuous, DRA for dimension radius command. So follow this step and you can check this one. So I hope you don't have any questions regarding this sketch. Now need to make this drawing as a final look. So now we need to select all this diagram part not to be dimensions and add thickness. So go to properties from here and line thickness you can choose as you want, but as per my suggestion you can check 0.35. So now this one is final look. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, more tutorials like this. If you want to support for further, that join button, become a part of our community. Your support helps me create more amazing content. See you in the next videos. Keep learning, keep supporting. Thank you.